Hello, my name is Estrelita Damian. I'm 48 years old, separated with two grown-up children. Age 26 is my son, and 24 is my youngest daughter. I am separated. I work in Hong Kong for 10 years, and my duties are newborn, childcare, car washing, ironing, market, and cooking simple dishes like soup, long soup, and quick soup. I also work in a Western family. I cook basic, simple baking and some other dishes. I also work in Middle East, in Israel, taking care of old. Most of them are handicapped, bedridden. I am a hardworking person, honest and trustworthy. I hope that you can give me a chance to work to your family. Thank you very much, and may God bless and protect your entire family.